Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks, and this is a 2019 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix. This vehicle has a couple upgrades in the front grille here, two-way clear, along with flag staffs and mounts. That way you can fly funeral flags, American flags, or any sort of additional flag you may want. Black on black exterior, black interior driver compartment with a silver stripe. As you can see, it has a beautiful Tuxedo vinyl top. It's a full vinyl top with a crown band. It also has B and C pillar chrome added to this vehicle just to further dress the vehicle up. Platinum Coach builds a full composite Hearse chassis. So all your doors on your number 2 doors are fully composite, your rear load door is fully composite, along with all of the conversion itself. This vehicle does have a full-size spare inside the rear well here. As you can see, this is a closed door Madagascar floor with a dark gray interior. It's a very rich feeling in the back of the coach with that Madagascar floor. One beauty about the Madagascar floor is it's a gloss finish, so it gives you a very rich look. Coming to the back of the coach here, you also have an upgrade as well, which is that load door chrome. This is an add-on when this vehicle was originally built back in 2019. Down in the lower bumper here, you do have a backup camera as well. Opening the rear load door of this coach, once again, it is fully composite. You do have some embroidery here on the load door with that dark gray texture. You have a black bifold carpet that folds down here. Interior wise, once again, that Madagascar floor, beautiful car with only 40,000 miles on it. Interior wheel boxes are in excellent shape as well. Popping open this urn carrier here, you have that nice tree setting in the background here, along with your 2 fold up urn stanchions. So those will fit about 95% of the urns on the market. They easily slide in and out to be able to fit almost anything for any width, and then you can just cinch them right down with the set screws and then fold them flat and fold this right back down. Nice and easy store away. Your quick adjust beer pin is off on the right here, so you can back that out and pull it out. You do have a button to slide it in and out, and then you just cinch down the back. That's stored on the right in this vehicle. You'll notice that I improperly folded these down. I have a lot of customers that call and ask why the lid doesn't close all the way. They do have to be spaced out properly so they both lay down flat. The tolerance from the lid to the floor is very tight to get that sleek look on the casket floor. So you can just fold that down perfectly flat now. As you can see, it goes down all the way. That was my mistake when putting that back away, but however, it is something that comes up quite a bit. Might save you a phone call in the future. Folding this bifold carpet back up and closing this rear load door here, we'll work our way to the church truck door. So once again, fully composite body with composite doors, both the number 2 doors and the rear load door. Church truck here is closed. It can be flipped open to store a church truck vertically or horizontally under the casket floor. That dark gray carpet is in great shape. You also have that umbrella storage location on the bottom right. That can be used for umbrellas traditionally or anything else for your funeral home that they would need to store inside there. But overall, rear interior cabin is in really nice shape for a 2019 with only 40,000 miles. So let's jump into the driver compartment and take a peek inside. Sitting inside this 2019 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix with only 40,000 miles. The interior has a black leather wrapped wheel, black driver and passenger seat, black leather. Both are powered. You do have a powered tilt column and telescoping. It's located on the left side of the steering wheel here. Automatic headlights, all your cruise controls on the left, all your media controls are on the right. Touchscreen infotainment, so AM, FM radio, Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth to make phone calls and play audio, along with wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can see those right there on the screen itself. You do have a nice little hideaway compartment in here. There's a charging pad there for smaller phones. It will not fit some of the larger phones in the market currently. You also have a USB input in the back of there to plug in your phone. 2 more USB inputs in here. You have one USB-A along with a USB-C. The 2018 and 2019s picked up USB-C. From 13 to 17, it was only USB-A. 2 cup holders located right here. We like to tuck the keys here at Parks Rear Sales in the cup holders right there. Black carpeted all throughout. Pretty much most of the XTSs had a black interior, so this is very common. But overall, very nice interior with only 40,000 miles. One last thing to note, the two-way clear strobes in this vehicle are powered by a switch located on the headliner here. There's a rocker switch right here. It's actually labeled Strobes as well. The vehicle does have to be running for those to kick on, but all you have to do is toggle that switch on when the vehicle is running, and those two-way strobes will illuminate in the grille. Thank you very much for taking a peek at this 2019 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix. This vehicle just arrived in our pre-owned inventory this past week, and with only 40,000 miles, it will not last long. So just to run back through the car, two-way strobes in the front grille, black on black with a silver stripe, flag mounts and staffs. You have almost every upgrade possible to add to this vehicle. BNC pillar chrome, crown band, full tuxedo top, along with that rear load door stainless. Inside you have a Madagascar table with dark gray interior. So if you'd like to inquire about this vehicle, please give us a call at 800-229-5008 or visit us at parkspirit.com, where you can see 80 plus photos of this vehicle along with this beautiful walk around video. Once again, thank you very much, and I'll catch you on the next one.